Popular action camera brand GoPro has launched a new waterproof camera in India. The rugged GoPro HERO Sports action camera is waterproof up to 10 meters and comes with features like wide view, voice control, and stabilization, the company has claimed. The GoPro HERO with model number CHDHB501RW sports a 10-megapixel 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor which is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 fps and 30 fps. It has an ISO range of 100 to 1600. It bears a 4.95 cm touchscreen with a 320x480 pixels resolution. It has 4 GB of built-in storage, expandable via microSD card, up to 128 GB. It measures 32x62x 44.5 mm, and weighs 117 grams. As mentioned, the GoPro HERO has voice control feature that gives hands-free control using commands. It also comes with stabilization functionality that lets users capture stable videos even when using a GoPro mount. To recall, GoPro has 3 other cameras in India: HERO6 Black, HERO5 Black, and HERO5 Session, priced at Rs 37,000, Rs 27,000, and Rs 18,000 respectively. Commenting on the launch, Megan Laffey, GoPro's SVP of Product, said, "HERO is a great first GoPro for people looking to share experiences beyond what a phone can capture. HERO makes it easy to share wow moments at a price that's perfect for first-time users."